Konnichi friggin' wa to my kimono wearers and friends. Thanks for hanging out with us in Nozawa. As usual, it has been bloody unreal, or as some old school Aussies would say, bonza! We're soon taking in some other Japan highlights, so subscribe and come along for the ride. But not quite yet, there's still some snowy scenes for us to enjoy.
Cheese! Wow. Alright, Anne. Give me your best.
After coming to Nozawa 3 years in a row, I thought I would share some travel wisdom with you. So coming up are my 5 smoking hot tips for Nozawa. Hotter than the hottest shichimi togarashi spice blend. Okay, smoking hot tip number 1. If you're bringing your own gear and training it to Nozawa, use the Yamato transport service to send your gear to the resort. The freedom of not having to lug your gear from the airport and through train stations is worth significantly more than the cost of the service.
Perfect bloody day. Let's go.
Smoking hot tip number 2. It's not a sign of weakness to sit in the less hot onsen tub. It's not a sign of weakness to use cold water to cool down the onsen water. It is a sign of stupidity to seriously poach your undercarriage in onsen water that's clearly too hot. Don't become a blister statistic.
Yeah, beautiful. Lovely. Yeah, beauty.
Smokin' hot tip number 3. You need to have an apple soft serve ice cream from Ueno Terra Lodge restaurant. Don't worry about brain freeze or that you're wearing layers of thermals and it's below freezing outside. This ice cream could well be the tastiest thing you eat while in Japan. They are genuinely delicioso, or oishi actually.
Down there, he had to go take another shit after his chicken nuggets.
Looks like Inga von Sweden needs the toilet again.
Here goes Budgie. Woo, Angie. Woo.
Smokin Hot Tip number 4. Your hotel can get you discounted lift tickets and a wider range of ticket options compared to buying from the mountain ticket booth. This will save you real money and give you more flexibility in how you choose to enjoy the resort. What's more, these savings can go to more apple soft serves and katsu curries. You will thank me. Smokin Hot Tip number 5. Learn some of the local language. No one's expecting you to hold a deep and meaningful conversation. Sure, you might one night order a sake and receive an apple, itadakimasu, but the locals will appreciate it and you'll have a bit of fun. And sumimasen, it's respectful, so you know, just do it. Okay, in the next vid we're off to Kanazawa for the first time. Subscribe and come join us. Thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!